Your brain does 5 bizarre things every day that feel totally random, but each one is your mind running a hidden program. In the next few minutes, I'll show you all 5 and exactly how to use each one to your advantage. Stick around for number 3, because deja vu isn't what you think it is.
Here's something strange. A song you don't even like can play in your head on a loop for hours. We've all been trapped by an earworm we can't shut off. But here's what your brain is secretly doing. An unfinished song creates an open loop, and your brain hates unfinished patterns, so it keeps replaying the tune, trying to complete it. The catchier and simpler the hook, the stronger the loop. So here's the fix. To kill an earworm, finish the song. Listen to it all the way through, or hum the final notes to yourself. Completing the pattern tells your brain the loop is closed and it finally lets go.
You just met someone, they said their name, and 2 seconds later it's gone. It feels like a memory problem, but it isn't. Here's what your brain is secretly doing. When you meet someone, you're so busy managing the social moment, how you look, what to say, that the name never actually gets encoded. You didn't forget it, you never saved it in the first place. So here's the fix. The moment you hear a name, repeat it out loud once. Then use it again within 10 seconds. Say, "Nice to meet you, Sarah." That tiny repetition forces your brain to encode it, and the name actually sticks.
Sometimes a brand new moment feels like you've lived it before. That's deja vu, and most people think it's a glitch or something supernatural. Here's what's really happening. Your brain runs 2 memory checks at once, one for the raw scene and one for whether it's familiar. When those 2 signals get slightly out of sync, the familiarity check fires first, so a new moment gets tagged as a memory. It's not a glitch, it's a sign your brain's memory system is actually working hard. So here's a tip. Next time it hits, don't chase the feeling. Just take a slow breath and notice it. Deja vu passes in seconds, and knowing it's harmless takes away the unease instantly.
You promise yourself you'll break the habit tomorrow, and tomorrow you do it again anyway. Willpower feels useless, but here's what your brain is secretly doing. Every habit runs on a loop, a cue, a routine, and a reward. Your brain automates the whole chain so it fires before you even decide. That's why fighting the routine head-on almost never works. So here's the fix. Don't try to erase the habit, hijack the loop. Keep the same cue and the same reward, but swap the routine in the middle. Stressed and reaching for your phone? Keep the cue, stress, and the reward, relief, but swap the routine to 3 deep breaths. Same loop, better routine, and it actually holds.
You've heard that blue light before bed is what's wrecking your sleep, but that's mostly a myth. Here's what your brain is secretly doing. The bigger problem isn't the color of the light, it's what's on the screen. Every scroll, like, and cliffhanger spikes dopamine and keeps your brain alert, telling it this is not the time to wind down. Blue light plays a small role, but the mental stimulation is what really keeps you awake. So here's the fix. Don't just dim your screen, change what you do with it. Set a hard cutoff 30 minutes before bed and swap scrolling for something low stimulation, a boring book or a podcast. Calm the brain, not just the screen, and you'll fall asleep far faster.
Those are 5 hidden programs running in your mind right now. We break down one new brain hack like this every single day. So if you want to actually understand what your brain is doing, like, follow, and subscribe to see more tips and tricks.